Hello, hello. Welcome to day 7. Day 7 with me, my assistant Bam Bam. My name is Ruti, and I've been in the health and fitness industry for over 35 years. It does show my age a little bit, just a little bit, but I am 58. So, this is a mission for me. So my mission, and I don't know if any of you can help me, is to get 100 people exercising regularly. Now, I was only originally going to do this for 7 days, but I'm going to continue it. Continue it. But in order for me to continue it, I need a few likes. I need a bit of love. Oh, sorry, bunnies. I need a bit of love. I need a bit of, yes, we'd love you to continue. No, I don't really. But it would be amazing. If you would like me to continue, then please comment. That would be fabulous. And we can go into week 2. So this is 10 minutes and it's for total beginners, and it's to just help you, I don't know, get your mojo back, particularly for your perimenopausal and your menopausal women. You know, you might have aches and pains in your body. I mean, there's so much, let's be honest, there's so much that happens that you're like, what has happened to my body? Like, who stole my body? Like, because one day you wake up and suddenly you're in a different body. And it's like the things that you used to do don't work anymore. And they really don't, because actually, when you're perimenopausal and menopausal, you really need to change your body differently. And everybody's body is different, but it's a different body. Your hormones are working differently, and so really high intensive cardio generally is not a great thing. It brings on inflammation. It raises your cortisol levels. So this is super gentle, and if you only do 1 minute, you know, you've done a minute. So there's no pressure for you to keep doing the whole 10 minutes if that's something that you're finding that you're struggling with. Each exercise we're going to do for a minute, all right? So when we get to 30 seconds, I'm going to kind of let you know, because if you're really beginner and you're like finding it difficult to do a whole minute, then I'll say 30 seconds and then you rest after 30 seconds, and then we'll move into the next exercise. And obviously you can watch this later and you can make amendments, but there's basically 6 exercises. We do a little warm up at the beginning, we do a little warm up at the end, and you just work at your own pace, all right? You work at your own pace. Now, as you see, I don't have shoes on. I am in the jungle here in Costa Rica, because there isn't any high impact in this, and it's really good for us to, you know, use our body as it's intended to, in its natural state. So that's why I don't have shoes on. And also I have a shoe thief, which is Bam Bam, so she quite often goes and steals my shoes and moves them around a little bit. Anyway, just going to see who's joined us. We've got some people who've joined. Hi, we've got Frenchie, we've got Mulligans, we've got Steph, we've got Cindy Lou. Welcome, welcome, welcome. That's on Instagram. I don't even know how I can see if people are joining me live on Facebook, so I'm very sorry about that. Anyway, just going to have one little slurp of cacao. All right, so we're just going to start off with just a very simple warm-up, all right? So you're going to take your feet apart and you're going to bend your knees, you're going to breathe in, and then you're going to breathe out. And again, breathing in and breathing out. And as you can see, my assistant is very relaxed this morning. We've just come back from the beach. She did do a lot of chasing, so she's kind of done her workout for the day, so we'll let her off. And again, breathing in and breathing out. Good. And then we're just going to roll the shoulders round. And if you want to start stepping to the side, you can. Oh, I'm just going to start the stopwatch. Hang on a minute. Okay, that's it. Got the stopwatch. Just going to roll the shoulders round, just in your own time. Beautiful. And then we're going to bring the shoulders back the other way around. And if you want to do this on the spot, if there's like too many things going on, then you just do it on the spot, including this fly. Hang on a minute. There's these flies in Costa Rica that love flying actually at your face. So you think they're not going to do it, but they do. All right, shoulders. All right, lovely. And then we're going to do a squeezing up at the shoulders, and then a dropping it down. A squeezing up at the shoulders, and then a dropping it down. And a squeezing up at the shoulders, and a dropping it down. Lovely. Then we're just going to twist Keep your head forwards on this one. So we just got my arms up and I'm just rotating my elbows back. Lovely. Just kind of doing like 10 of each. Beautiful. All right, and then we're just going to circle the arms round. Looking good. All right, brilliant. And then we're going to circle around the other way. That's amazing. And you can do this whole workout as well sitting down. If you want to sit down in a chair, you can do the whole workout sitting down in the chair. Good. And then we're just going to do a little stretch from side to side. Just stretching down the waist. That's great. Excellent. And then we're just going to stretch through the hips. Just rotating those hips round. You know what? I might soon have figured out how to do this with music. So bear with me. And then around the other way. Just rotating round. There's about to be a large truck that's going to drive past. What is she doing? Okay, fabulous. And then we're just going to lift up on our heels, lift up on our toes even, up and down on the toes. Lovely. All right, and then just shake it out. All right. So now we're going to move into the exercise portion of this. And as I say, I'm going to let you know when we get to 30 seconds. So if you want to take a little bit of a break at 30 seconds. So the first exercise we're going to do is just a step touch. Now, don't worry if you're not coordinated and you're trying to coordinate with me. Don't worry. You don't have to. And now I'm going to throw in some arms, all right? So I'm just going to lift and lower the arms. Now, what you might find easier is actually if you just lift the arms up and the arms down. Might be a bit too much. It's like that, tapping your head and, you know, that one. Arms up and down. To make sure I don't step on Bam Bam. In fact, I'm going to come forward a little bit. All right, that's 30 seconds. So if you want to take a break at 30 seconds, then please feel free to take a break now, and then you just keep walking about, just keep moving around, keep breathing. Otherwise, we're going to do this little section for 6 minutes back to back. 15 seconds. You're doing really well. This is day 7. Can you believe you made it to day 7? This is fabulous. All right. So the next one we're going to do is we're going to just lift the knee up like this. All right. But instead of lifting it up singles, we're actually going to do 2 to one side. 2 to one side. So it's challenging your balance a little bit. We're kind of upping the level a little bit this week. So we're going to be progressing through. That's good. And obviously you can do this with shoes on as well. You don't have to do the whole barefoot thing if you don't want to. That's 30 seconds. So if you're at 30 seconds and you want to take a break, then remember you can take a break. Oops, I nearly just did one then. I was like in a mind of my own there. Good, here we go. Excellent. Nearly there, 10 seconds left. You're doing really well. You're doing really well. Keep it going. 3, 2, and 1. And then we're going to lift the heels up behind you. I'll show you from this way. Got Bam Bam on the lookout just to make sure that no one comes up to disturb us. And then we're going to do a double lift. Like we did with the knees, we're going to do 2 on one side. And you might really start to feel this on the hamstrings. So if you do, we're now at 30 seconds. You can take a break. That's good. Just going to keep your body nice and supported is the word that I'll use. All right. Excellent. All right. We've got 10 seconds left. Looking good. Looking good. Keep that going. And there's no leaf cutter today making those noises, so I'm super happy. All right. Oh, I didn't keep my eye on the ball. We went over there with that little one. Okay, so next one, we're going to go back to the side to side. But what we're going to do is we're going to add in some arms. That's it. Ta, ta, ta. And you can imagine when you're doing the arms that you're just letting go of anything that no longer serves you. You're just flicking it out the arms, letting it go, letting it go. Oh, 30 seconds. For people who are doing 30 seconds. That's it. We're letting it go, bunny chops. We're letting it go. We're letting it go. Okay, good. We've got 10 seconds left. This is excellent. Remember to breathe. And you can actually hum all your way through this, which is really good to calm down the nervous system. So if you want to be humming in the background, then please feel free to do that. Okay, so now we're going to do some marching on the spot. Marching on the spot. That's what we're doing. Now you might find that you find it difficult to coordinate the arms on this. All right? So if you do, then just put your hands on your hips and do your legs. Just do your legs like that. All right, coming up to 30 seconds. Okay, and if you're doing the arms, you can add the arms in. Here we go. You can make it a little bit jazzy if you want to. A bit jazzy. That's good. Keep it going. All right. Da, da. Yeah, we do need music, don't we? Yeah. Give me a yes if you fancy having some music next time. Okay, 4 seconds. All right. And then we're going to keep on with the marching, but we're going to add in bicep curl. This is the last exercise, by the way. This is the last one. And we're going to come forwards. Barbara gives me a little chance to see who's there. We've got some more people that joined us. We've got Shrews. Thank you for joining. Is there anyone else? Hang on a minute. Keep going with your bicep curls. Shrews, welcome. Welcome. Good. That's 30 seconds. So if you're just doing 30 seconds, just do your 30 seconds. Okay. We got 20 seconds left. 20 seconds. 20 seconds. Oh yeah. That's good. Keep going. 20 seconds. Oh, countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Give yourself a round of applause. Okay, so you're just going to have a little walk around because your heart rate might be elevated. My heart rate's elevated because is your heart elevated? It's not, is it? The only thing that's elevated in you is your tail. That's it. It's just your tail. It's just wagging. Interesting fact. Okay, so Bam Bam's a rescue dog. And since I've had her, her tail has grown 2 inches. So it really has. It's actually grown 2 inches. The end of the tail is a different colour, and I think that she's so much happier that her tail grew. I mean, I didn't even know that dogs' tails could grow. I don't know if anybody else has had a dog where their tail's grown, but her tail has grown, and it's amazing. And it's kind of got like a little curl on the end. All right, so we're still walking around. If you've got some water, welcome Wendy Wayman. Wendy Wayman. I think I know you, don't I, Wendy? I think I do. Welcome, welcome, welcome. And I'm going to do this for the next week. I'm going to try and do this at this time in the morning. So it's basically 10 a.m. Costa Rica time. And if you're in the UK, 10, 11, 12, 1, 2, 3, 4, that's 5 p.m. UK time. And if you're in the States, depending on whatever state you're in, not whatever state you're in, but whatever state you're living in, should I say, that will be like noon. All right, so let me know if this is a good time for you as well. It's dependent on rain, because if it's raining really hard, then you won't even hear me. Okay, Fabulous. So now we're going to go into some stretches, and we're going to just, if your heart rate still feels like it's raised, just keep walking around, okay? So just keep walking around. We're going to link the fingers together, and we're just going to stretch the arms up like this. Try and imagine and keeping your shoulders down, okay? Because it's very easy when you're doing this to just realize that you're overstretching. So shoulders are down, we're just kind of stretching out the arms. Beautiful. Okay, I'm going to stay on the spot so you can see me better. Nice. Bring the arms down. Lovely. And then we're going to stretch out the waist. So just a gentle little reach down to the side. Beautiful. And then a gentle reach down to the other side. Excellent. And then we're just going to stretch out our calf muscles here. So we're going to have one foot in front, one foot behind. We're going to bend the front knee, and the back leg is extended and it's straight. And we're kind of like pushing that heel down to the ground. So we're getting a stretch in the calf here. Beautiful. You're so beautiful. And then we're going to bring that foot in a little bit, and we're going to bend it like this until you get a stretch a little bit lower down, and just hold that there. And hold. Beautiful. And then we're going to bring the leg up behind us like this, and just stretch out your quadricep. And if you're in a chair, you can kind of sit in the chair, and if you've got no arms, you can just, as in not you've got no arms, but if the chair's got no arms, you can just bring up the leg behind you like this. Just kind of scoot off to the side of the chair, or even sit on the side of the chair. And if there's anybody that would like me to do a day where I'm doing all these exercises with a chair as well as an alternative, then just let me know. Just comment in the comments. Okay, so we're going to change on to the other leg. We're going to do a calf stretch first. So front knee is bent, back leg is extended behind. Good. Just be conscious of your upper body, okay? I know we're stretching the lower leg, but just make sure the upper body's not like this. And then we're just going to bring that leg in a little bit. Just going to bend it like this. I don't know if you can see these flowers here, but they're called morning glories because they only open up in the morning and they're beginning to close. And then we're going to stretch out the other quadricep. Now, I actually did my left one when I was demonstrating, so I'm going to do my right one now. So whichever one you didn't do before, you're going to do that one. Fabulous. And then you're going to do that, which is a high five to yourself for doing the workout today, because you guys, look at you all that stayed online. Congratulations. Congratulations for doing day 7. I'm super, 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 this is my happy dance, right? I'm super impressed, super proud of you for staying on and doing the whole 10 minutes. And we did a little bit extra because I was chatting away, doing a few of the stretches. So this is amazing, and I will be here again tomorrow at 10 o'clock Costa Rica time, which is 5 p.m. UK time and 12 American time. And any questions, then you can reach out to me or put a message in the comments. And if you like this video, please feel free to share it, like and subscribe so that you can catch me when I go live again. So thank you so much. Thank you so much. And so that now I'm up to 23 people that I'm inspiring. So yes, fantastic. Thank you. Have a beautiful day. Goodbye. Goodbye, 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 goodbye. Okay, let's say goodbye to Facebook. Bye, Facebook.